A fabric inspection machine is used to detect defects, inconsistencies, and quality variations in textiles before processing or shipment. It ensures fabric quality, reduces material waste, and improves production efficiency. The machine works by unrolling fabric over an illuminated inspection table where defects are identified, recognized, and categorized for quality control. Machine is equipped with photo-sensor-based edge guide device and digital length counting to ensure perfect rolling at front side.